So today we're going to see how to melt the belly fat. This is one of the major issues for especially the youngsters and the middle-aged people, because the stomach is out, how to get it in. So I'm going to share few techniques. First, let's start with Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati sets the BMR high. In Kapalbhati, we do forceful exhalations, and at the same time we pull the navel in towards the spine. So our effort is fully in exhaling. We don't have to worry about inhaling. The body automatically does it. Spine erect, eyes closed. Take a normal breath in, and as you breathe out forcefully, pull the navel in. So we do this 20 to 30 counts, 3 rounds with 40 seconds gap in between, and after that we do 6 rounds of Surya Namaskars. If you watch my video how to get 6 packs using Surya Namaskars, I have demonstrated Surya Namaskars for you. After Surya Namaskars are done, we come on the Chaturanga Dandas in the plank posture. So the body is neither down nor up, it's in one straight line. You will notice that your entire stomach and your lower back is engaged. Stay here for some time, at least 15 breaths. Then slowly go down on your elbows. Stay here for 10 to 15 breaths again. Make sure that body doesn't go down nor up, it stays in this posture. Then slowly lie down on your back. Now let's do the cycling. The Pada Sanchalan. Breathe in, bend both the knees. Slowly start cycling with your feet. Now let's make small circles first. Keep breathing, and slowly let's make the circles bigger and bigger. Keep your attention on the abdomen and reverse the direction. And slowly breathe out, relax, stretch your legs. Now let's do the leg raises. This is one more variation of the Pada Sanchalana. Breathe in, take the right leg up, pull the toes towards yourself, breathe out, stay there. Once again, breathe in, and as you breathe out, relax the leg. Right leg up, and stay there. Now let's start making big circles. 1, 2, 3, reverse. You can do 5 to 10 circles depending on how much strength you have in your abdomen. And slowly breathe out, relax. Now the other leg. Pull the toes towards yourself. And breathe out, relax. This time stay there and start making big circles, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Make sure the other leg is straight. And slowly breathe out, relax. Now let's place both your palms under your buttocks. And breathe in, lift both your legs up. And breathe out, slowly bring the leg down. Once again, breathe in, lift both your legs up. And breathe out, come down. One last time, breathe in, lift both your legs up. If you feel strong, you can make big circles here. Slowly breathe out. Bring your legs down very gently and slowly. And slowly relax. Breathe in. Lift both your legs up. Pull the toes towards yourself. And as you breathe out, stretch up, lift your upper body up, and see if you can reach your toes. With every breath out, see if you can go closer to your toes. Take your hands towards your toes, not the toes towards your hands. Breathe in, bring your body down, and as you breathe out, relax your legs. Now take both your hands over your head. Breathe in, raise your body up, bring the hands to the front, breathe out, relax. Now let's do 10 normal breaths here. Make sure the back is straight, do not arch your back, keep your back straight. Stay there and keep breathing for some time. And slowly breathe in, and as you breathe out, relax. relax here for a couple of minutes. You will feel your abdomen is nicely worked out.